Healing from emotional abuse is not easy. It can leave you doubting your worth, your decisions, and even your reality. But recovery is possible. If you've experienced emotional abuse, these 5 steps can help you start healing, rebuild your confidence, and take back control of your life. 1. Move beyond blame. When the truth about emotional abuse finally becomes clear, it hurts deeply. And when we're hurt, our first instinct is often to look for someone to blame. Sometimes, the person who hurt you knew better, but didn't try hard enough to change. Other times, they simply lacked the courage or emotional strength to behave differently. Many people stay in these relationships hoping the other person will change and finally give them the love they deserve. But when that change never comes, the pain can be overwhelming. Healing begins when you stop searching for someone to blame and start focusing on your own recovery and growth. 2. Grant forgiveness. Emotional abuse often aims to break your spirit so you become easier to control. Forgiveness is often misunderstood. Many people believe forgiveness is something you give only to the person who hurt you. But forgiveness is also a gift you give yourself. When you forgive, you acknowledge the pain that happened, but you refuse to let that pain continue controlling your life. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting what happened or allowing the behavior again. It simply means you are choosing peace over resentment and reclaiming control of your emotional well-being. 3. Reclaim your personal power. Emotional abuse tries to convince you that you are powerless, that your needs don't matter, and that you have no control. But that belief is a lie. You have the right to be respected. You have the right to say no. And you have the power to walk away from relationships that harm you. Reclaiming your personal power means learning to trust yourself again. It means saying yes to what truly matters to you and saying no to what doesn't. This process rebuilds your confidence and reminds you that your voice and your choices are valuable. 4. Create distance from toxic people. Recovery often requires distance from people who continue to bring negativity or control into your life. Emotionally abusive individuals often create constant conflict and tension. Protecting your peace may mean limiting contact or, in some cases, ending the relationship entirely.
I think healthy boundaries are key.
If contact is
How so?
unavoidable,
They
such
help
as
us
with family
respect each
members,
other's space.
set boundaries that protect your emotional well-being. Meet in public spaces, keep conversations short, or bring a supportive friend along. Creating healthy distance is not selfish. It is an important step toward healing and protecting your mental health. 5. Address emotional wounds. Emotional abuse can leave deep wounds that affect how you respond to people and situations. One important step in recovery is learning to separate the past from the present. Not every criticism, disagreement, or harsh comment is connected to your past experiences. Sometimes, people are simply having a bad day. When someone says something that hurts you, try to pause before reacting. Respond calmly instead of reacting emotionally. Set boundaries when needed, communicate how you feel, and remind yourself that your happiness does not have to depend on other people's behavior. Healing means allowing yourself to move forward without carrying every past hurt with you. Recovering from emotional abuse takes time, patience, and compassion for yourself. But as you release blame, practice forgiveness, reclaim your power, create healthy boundaries, and heal emotional wounds, you begin to rebuild the life you deserve. You deserve peace. You deserve respect. And most importantly, you deserve to feel strong and confident in who you are again.